It's a what? Oh.
I think I found 5 that's over there. No, this is for a spot.
Hey everyone, tonight we are at Garfield Park Conservatory and we are checking out their trains and poinsettias and just basically Christmas in the conservatory. It's really beautiful. They have a scavenger hunt for the kids to kind of look for things and items in the train scene. There's beautiful lights everywhere. And right now they have their later night hours, so they stay open till 8, so it's dark and it's really neat. During the day it's really pretty, but at night when it's dark it even looks so much better.